How to understand native English speakers. Active listening secrets. Hello everyone and welcome back to Boost Your English. I'm Jason, and I'm excited to share another powerful lesson with you. Today we're going to tackle a common challenge: understanding native English speakers. Maybe you listen to movies, podcasts, or conversations and think, they talk too fast. I can't catch every word. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you simple active listening habits that will help you understand real English better and faster. Why is understanding native speakers so hard? Native English often sounds different from what you hear in textbooks. People speak quickly, connect words, and use slang or informal expressions. But here's the good news. Your ears can learn. Active listening trains your brain to catch sounds, rhythms, and patterns automatically. Step 1. Listen every day, even for just 10 minutes. Pick something you enjoy: podcasts, TV shows, YouTube videos, or even songs. Consistency matters more than long hours. Daily listening keeps your brain tuned to English sounds. Step 2. Choose content slightly above your level. If it's too easy, you won't grow. If it's too hard, you'll feel frustrated. Find that just right balance where you understand about 70 to 80% of the words. Step 3. Practice shadowing. Play a short sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly as you hear it. Match the speed, rhythm, and intonation. Shadowing trains your ears and mouth to work together and improves both listening and speaking. Step 4. Write what you hear. Choose a short clip, listen, and write down every word. Then check the transcript or subtitles. This dictation method is powerful for catching small details and common phrases. Step 5. Focus on chunks, not single words. English speakers often blend words together, like gonna for going to. Train yourself to hear phrases, not isolated words. This makes natural speech easier to understand. Mistakes are normal. Sometimes you won't catch every word, and that's okay. Even native speakers miss words in a noisy environment. The goal is understanding the meaning, not perfection. Let's review. Listen every day. Pick content just above your level. Practice shadowing. Write what you hear. Focus on phrases and chunks of speech. These habits will sharpen your ears and help you understand native English naturally. Thanks for joining me today on Boost Your English. Start with 10 minutes of active listening today, maybe a podcast or a favorite TV show, and watch your understanding grow week by week. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep boosting your English.